Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine. So today I got for repair Sony DZ350. This is the model. So this is the model, my friend, DZ350. So we'll check what the issue in this. I will switch it on now. See guys, this is the problem. This is the problem. Hello. I don't know why Sony designed this type of fault. Hello, it's good. It's going for protection. Actually, hello means it's going for protection. Well, we need to check. Okay, I'll just open the box and I will show you what's the issue in this. So we'll do as per. Just keep watching my video, guys. See, stuck up on hello only. So we'll try to open the cabinet now. So guys, I already unscrew it because we need to check everything. Yes. So first we'll clean this one, my friend. So as usual, we will clean this with the air blower so that whatever the dust is there, it will come out. See, to little dust is there. So first we'll clean with the air blower. So friends, as you know that whenever there's hello problem come in Sony DZ350 model, hello or any or stuck on Bluetooth or any other function. So the simple way to solve this problem is just replace this RAM IC. Okay guys, just replace this RAM IC. So now we'll try to replace this RAM IC with the new one. I got the new one with me. So we'll replace this is the RAM IC. This is the stream IC. In last video you have seen I have replaced the stream IC for the no audio output coming problem. But in this set, hello is stuck on the hello. So we'll replace only RAM IC and we will check. Just keep watching my video, guys. So to work on this, better to remove this cover. It's very easy for you to solder it properly. So whenever you will whenever you replace this RAM IC, better to remove this back cover. Just 3-4 screws are there, just remove it out, so it will be easy for you to work on this RAM IC. So just remove this one. So now it's very easy for you to work on this. So guys, we'll use desolder gun to remove this IC. So guys, we'll apply little paste. Okay, apply a little paste, desolder paste, so it will be easy to take it out. Now start hitting. So it's coming out, see. So it's come out. So like this remove the RAM IC. This is the old one. So now we will clean this area first before installing new IC. Just clean it very well so that whenever you fix new IC, it should be very neat and nicely soldered. So guys, now see, I have already cleaned this one. It should be clean like this, so that whenever you fix new IC, it should not short any pins. It should be like this. So now it's easy now to fix new RAM IC. So just keep watching my video. I'm fixing new RAM IC now. This is the new RAM IC. Okay guys, let's pick this one, new RAM IC on this. Just keep watching my video. So guys, we'll solder new RAM IC. So now already it's fixed. So now we'll step by step. So slowly we can. So first solder it completely, then slowly remove it out. Here also same, then slowly we'll take it out afterwards. First please solder completely. Now just remove all the excess solder. Like this, all side, take it out. This side also. See, it's come out. This excess solder will come out very easily, and it will catch all the pins. So this is the best way. But the thing is, your soldering iron and small tip iron should be very good. Then only it will come. Otherwise, it's very hard sometimes. See, it's clean. See guys, it's like this. You can see this side. So now this is soldered properly. Now we'll just clean this area completely. Just clean it. Whatever the extra is there, we'll take it out. So guys, we are already finished. Let's see the soldering. It should be like this. See. So we have soldered the new IC. Now we'll check it out. So this is the old IC. We replace it already. The RAM IC. Now we'll put it on the power. Actually, this is this set is belongs to one of my YouTube customer from Maharashtra only, some border of Maharashtra. He watched on the YouTube video, and he just personally came and gave it to me for repairing such a long distance. Anyway, he will be very happy now. So this is my YouTube customer. It's repaired now. Guys, now we'll put it on now. I'll just turn this. So guys, see. See, it's hello come. Yes, see, Bluetooth audio be ready. So volume function, everything is working. See, volume also working. Everything is working. Function also working. Okay guys, see, maybe the switch is the problem, so we'll replace the switch, no problem. See, volume, everything is working. With the remote it will work. With the remote function, everything. See, we'll press function. See, USB function. I'm pressing the remote. Audio in everything. So now we'll connect the Bluetooth. Okay guys, and we'll check the output signal also. I have already connected my Bluetooth from my mobile, so we'll check the output speaker. This is front right. I don't have the connector. Front left. Center. Surround right. Surround left. This is subwoofer. So guys, thank you very much for watching. So we have replaced this RAM IC. So after replacing, sometimes after RAM IC also there is no output coming from the AM board. So that time we need to check some separate section. But now it's good. The customer didn't have to spend much money. Only he has to spend only for the RAM IC only. So this is my personal experience after replacing RAM IC also. There is no output coming from the AM board. So now all 6 outputs is working fine. So we just replace RAM IC. So like this we have to replace the RAM IC. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. So whenever I upload new video, so you will get immediate notifications. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Take care. Bye.